Wah, sampai apa Shillong re kan ni ke betam tangi la sindon ni ke sinjam ke rai ba ngin sei ngin persang men sei ke sap ke ban poi haka national level haka Commonwealth haka Asian Games haka World Championships but finally haka Olympic.
Kumshi benta ban sei madan ban lap ya kasab kerpang jagi rang bat ki thei samla ki badan sab haki kamlekai na kalyang ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association haka jinga trailang bat ka Department of Sports and Youth Affairs jaka sarkar jila haka arpu ar tarigu naitung kala penlong ka State Talent Identification na ka benta ki khon samla jaka themri bhoi ya ka bala penlong ha indoor stadium umling kadat nongpo yakani ka talent identification ka bala penya ka MSOA haka jinga trailang bar ka Department of Sports and Youth Affairs ya ka bala khmi bat ajing shakri da ulan champel Olympian Australia bat Alistair Tad Global International Coach yakani ka jo ka program en penlong habaro ki khatartli ki district ka jila Meghalaya ka bala sedang na mau Rwat South West Khasi Hills district par haka arpu ar tarik layo ban penlong hanongpo ribhoi district. Habakran Shikilat Pathai Kubor Karkumu Ba John F. Karshiying, working president ka MSOA, ulay thu ba kani ka rukom jid iki khana ki badan sap haki Nongialehkai, lale karkum ka jing start lengba ki core technology, ki baya day bat ka juka bamenta, bat ula ongru ba ka jila Meghalaya ka day ka baningkong ban priang ya ka te ka jing jid, daki core technology, kumno ban nap iki sap ba kerpang haki Nongialehkai.
Tikani ka talent identification ka bagi pelong ka day kumno ban lap ya kisap ki bakarpa but lengba ka jikasya ko sarkar ngilala banwara ya ka teknologi joko perthai ba ka de ka basic test kini ki start naga we pagari ki ong ba la ka pikwa ban lap ya sap komut pidiban don shwai ka data komut ki hangni ngi pelong sauteli test we ka aprovita hato ngiyo nem ki khna ki bah po halai second ki ban sprint arpomita kadang ka pat ka 10 meter ladder run lai itu ba lok mi jiking ko pati hap yu untuk ban mare kidan nem ki bala ban le po kalai second ni gitu nanta kadang itu ka kompas drill ko pati test ka agility ki test su ka jabing tu kena mo ki kena ka hangnu ka kanu kadang ni nama hang tu kompas drill ki hapuan si wan chaprek te dan ki bakalet kidan ki ba ko ni ko tai ki so tu mo na poi ra ka bol mutip men ai cheno ko test bun ki gini start pertama kadang saka vertical jump hi galong bagi jump haka dan long boy kinja carpet no te kani vertical jump bak aku mita gede bola kalau very critical haka ba bishar nalor ka kompas drill bat kani ka 10 meter ladder run ban bishar ka jingla ju ko stuna kalong ba ngila sedang na bak ndak hama korwa ba hadi ketu ni har Shillong baru ladap lu bro sang district Shillong baru but atang hari lom baru syang layo mashhur kinrang ki badan ka sak ka wakam kerpang rengut ki kethai ki badan harta ka level but kita ki measurements kini ki jingthau ki rangkat but ki elite player jongka Australia ne US kumangil mentah hari test ngilap tau nak sampati ka speed ka bala serkai wah sampai apa Shillong re kan ni ke betam tangi la sindon ni ka sinjam ka rai ba ngin sei ngin persang men sei ki sap ki ban poi haka national level haka Commonwealth haka Asian Games haka World Championships but finally haka Olympic tekani group jukiniru katon ru ki jingide juki bekini ki league version kai chai ya NBA katon ki jingide beki kini ki test nam tagi NBA rastu haka NBA gede ke basketball ke buat circuit tam ka speed tu te gamot niyo ban ya thau ka speed jong khla Meghalaya bat ka speed jong tek bertek lembah habangia trailang begini ki kenhon ki banawa ni kopi tiga ka jikli mata ka bami begini jingya jungi kanong ba ayu le igini ki sap arpo shispa aspa ni pakke ka no maki baro gini ki jingthau mutarsi ngadu bengi sedang kilong digitally calibrated kilong ki machine ki ba kem tek second bahat loro jing stat jupi
much better talent than we thought we were going to find. We are very fortunate to have found talent in Meghalaya that is approaching international standard. And so with MSOA, we have broken down the categories to super elite, elite, development, and then a younger division from ages 10 to 13. because we're identifying talent as young as 10 that needs to be nurtured over a period of years. So we have the older kids up here, that's fine, but we're also seeing enormous talent in the very younger athletes, which is really exciting, actually. So we have a number. We have 2 boys that categorise super elite from Umpati. They were exceptional in all 4 of our tests, not just 1 or 2, all 4. But pound for pound, possibly the best athlete we found is a 13-year-old boy. And so our challenge now, in partnership with MSOA and the Meghalaya government, is let's develop elite pathway programs for those athletes and also for coaches with knowledge transfers, maybe overseas camps, etc., and for some of the athletes maybe competition as well, depending on the sport. So we have a development phase in place after we do our final report. So there's an ongoing opportunity for those elite athletes. So it doesn't just stop.